Well, now we're going to fry the liver. If I can find where I put it. Oh. So this is liver. So you add the pot. Alright, cup it. Don't put any salt in it. Put salt in it after it's cooked. So what I did is just slice it up. So what I did slice it and put some onion and pepper and that's it. So now we're gonna fry this up for about, let's fry it. So what I did browning, see? About a spoon. Add water. Like this. I'm gonna add this water with the seasoning into the fried liver. Now would be a good time to add some salt. About a teaspoon or so. Some black pepper. So now continue. So what I had is just a tablespoon of parsley and a tablespoon of basil. Tablespoon of basil. So now I'm just gonna add some ketchup. About 2 tablespoons. Just to thicken it. See? So it's creamy. So that's it. Cow's liver.